Insert SIM and SD cards into the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. To get started, grab the SIM eject tool provided with the device or use a paperclip straightened on one end. Pop off the tray, which is located on the same side as the buttons. When you push the pin in, the tray will pop out. The tray has space for an SD card and a SIM card. Not all versions of this tablet may have SIM support, but they should all have an SD card tray. Place the SD card in the tray and make sure it clicks in and lies completely flush. Flip the tray over and place the SIM card the same way, ensuring it's flush. Insert the tray back into the device, making sure it's the right way. Don't force it. Once inserted, the card should start working immediately. Both SIM and SD cards are confirmed working. That's how you insert your SIM and SD cards into this device. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.